In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to switch to a private network on your Windows 11 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings here. Go ahead and select that. On the left panel, select network and internet. And then on the right side, if you're using a Wi-Fi network, you'll select Wi-Fi. If you're on an Ethernet-based connection, you would select the Ethernet button here. And then you can select private network right at the top. Just expand the drop down to see the options if you don't see it. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.